Google Omni is a cutting-edge artificial intelligence model developed by Google DeepMind that represents the latest and most advanced generation of their Gemini AI family. The name Omni is derived from the Latin word meaning everything or all, which perfectly reflects the capabilities of the remarkable technology. Google Omni is different from traditional AI assistant because it's been trained on a numerous dataset of text, images, audio, and video content, allowing it to understand and process information across all these different modalities. This means that Omni isn't limited to just understanding text like some AI systems are. Instead, it can understand images by looking at them. It can understand audio by listening to it, and it can understand videos by watching it. This multimodal capability makes Omni incredibly versatile and powerful in a way that previous AI systems simply couldn't match. The breakthrough technology behind Google Omni is something called multiple model transformer architecture, which is the fancy way of saying that the AI model is structured to process and understand multiple different types of information at the same time and in the same way. When you ask Omni a question, whether that question including text, images, audio, or video, the system processes all these input and generate responses that take into account all the information you have provided. This is radically different from how most AI systems work. More traditional AI systems are specialized for a specific type of input. One system is good at understanding text, another system is good at understanding images, and the third system might be good at understanding audio. But the Omni processes all these at once, which makes it far more capable and understanding. The speed of Google Omni is something that sets it apart from competitors' AI system. When you are talking to Omni, the responses come back almost instantly. You don't have to wait several seconds of the AI to generate response like you might with some other system. The near instant make conversation with Omni feel more natural and more like you are talking to another intelligent being rather than waiting for a computer to process your request. The latency is kept so low that it doesn't disturb the flow of conversation. The reasoning and the problem-solving capabilities of Google Omni are extraordinary. This AI doesn't just retrieve information and repeat it back to you. Instead, it can analyze complex problems, break them down into component parts, work through logical, and arrive at novel solutions or insights. If you ask Omni to help you solve complex problems in mathematics, science, business, or any other domain, the system can walk you through the problem step by step, explaining its reasoning at each stage. If you ask Omni to help you brainstorm creative solutions to challenge you are facing, it can generate multiple different approaches and discuss the pros and cons of each one. The ability to reason and solve a problem represented a major advance in AI capability. The creativity of Google Omni is also remarkable. The system can generate original content across multiple modalities. If you ask Omni to write a poem, it will write an original poem for you. If you ask it to create a story, it will generate a creative narrative. If you ask it to explain concept in a novel or interesting way, it will come up with original explanations that might help you understand the concept better. If you are asked it to help you brainstorm creative ideas, it will generate multiple different ideas that you can build upon. The creative capability make Omni useful not just for factual question, but for creative and artistic endeavors. The safety and the alignment of Google Omni with human value is something that Google has taken very seriously during the development of this system. Google has implemented multiple safety measures to ensure Omni behaves responsibly and doesn't generate harmful content. The system has been trained with AI methods that help ensure the output are aligned with human value and ethics. Omni will refuse to help with illegal activities, will not generate hateful content, will not help with fraud or deception, and will decline requests that could cause harm. The multimodal capabilities of Google Omni really shine when you are working with a complex information that combine different types of media. If you have a document that contains both text and image, Omni can analyze both and understand how they work together. If you have a video that you want to analyze, Omni can watch it and describe what's happening, extract key information and answer questions about the content. If you have audio that you want to transcribed and analyzed, Omni can do that and provide analyze and answer questions about the audio content. The ability to work seamlessly across different types of media is incredibly powerful.